Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been looking at the different uses of the verb ser in Spanish, one of the verbs that means to be. There are videos for each one of these bullet points on my channel homepage, so if you haven't seen those videos you might want to go back and look at them. In this video we are looking at this very last bullet point here, using ser with de to express the material that something is made of. So let's look at some examples here. If I just want to make a general statement and say it is made of metal, then I would just simply say es de metal. Es de metal. So here's the form of the verb ser. Remember, for it we don't have a subject pronoun, so it is understood in the verb form es. And then de literally means of. And what's implied here by ser and de together is made of. So it is made of metal, or it's metal. Es de metal. If I want to specifically say the key is metal, then I would say la llave es de metal. La llave es de metal. The bottle is plastic. In other words, the bottle is made out of plastic. Then I would say in Spanish, la botella es de plástico. La botella es de plástico. It's made of wood. Es de madera. Es de madera. So for example, if you have a table and you wanted to say the table is made of wood, you could say something like la mesa es de madera, or the chair is made of wood. La silla es de madera. If you just want to say it's made of wood, you would simply say es de madera. Finally, it's made of glass. Es de vidrio. Es de vidrio. And that's it, using ser with de to describe the material that something is made out of. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.